Search your hearts and see if you have done your part in the construction of the new and mighty state. Small things can make a big difference. Please do whatever you can in your own way, but do something positive. Education, literacy, being able to read a sentence, being able to actually write on your own. What a marvelous opportunity this is for a brighter life. Only those nations who invest in their human resources, tap into the creativity of their young and harness their potential for development will be able to march forward. Pakistan, an emerging nation, is the land of multicultural and diverse ethnicities. It is a land of tremendous opportunities, and the realization comes only with literacy. With 160 million people, young and old, poor and rich, only 50% can actually read and write. For the rest, you are the hope. There's a dire need to educate women, a segment with a literacy rate of 40%. Women are the nation builders. They build our families. If they are literate, their families are invariably educated. Your Diya Pakistan is the hope. In many cases, the only hope for thousands of highly talented, underprivileged students, helping them defy poverty and acquire education. All this is made possible through generous donations. Formerly known as Kaniz Fatma Foundation, Diya was established in 1988 in Pakistan. The primary focus of Diya is on education, promoting literacy in Pakistan through merit-based scholarships to deprived and extremely poor students. Diya has to date awarded 40,000 scholarships to talented, needy students since 1992. That is 40,000 opportunities for a brighter future. The second message of Diya is women empowerment. Diya has reached out to more than 6,000 widows and destitute women, helping them with shelter and income-earning opportunities. Your trust remains our biggest asset. Diya maintains full transparency in its operations and an effective corporate governance system. We make sure that every penny of your donation reaches the students and we report back to you on progress. You are already making a difference.
कनीज़ फातिमा वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन 1986 में कायम हुई। 1986 में जब इसकी इब्तिदा हुई तो एक छोटी सी रकम 38,000 रुपये की कुल रकम से इस नेकी के काम का आगाज़ हुआ। 1988 में इसकी प्रॉपर रजिस्ट्रेशन महकमा सोशल वेलफेयर पंजाब से हुई। 2007-8 में कनीज़ फातिमा वेलफेयर फाउंडेशन का नाम बदलकर दिया पाकिस्तान रजिस्टर्ड कर दिया गया।
One of the main differentiating factor I feel is that the people who are involved in running this, they are all professionals, educated, well-to-do people. So their only motive is not fame, is not creating money for themselves. If you miss one day's restaurant meal, you could make a lot of difference to a lot of small children in Pakistan.
The challenge. The high incidence of illiteracy in Pakistan is the main cause of poverty and many other social evils. With a literacy rate of only 50%, we have 80 million people who can neither read nor write. 25 million children in Pakistan are not going to school. 10 million are in child labor.
जिन बच्चों के पास वसाइल नहीं है वो दिया फाउंडेशन की इमदाद की वजह से पढ़ सकेंगे और अपना करियर बेहतर बना सकेंगे।
Diya is the hope. In many cases, the only hope for thousands of highly talented, underprivileged students, helping them fight poverty and acquire education. Diya is targeting 20,000 scholarships to needy students every year. All this is made possible through your generous donations. Get involved, make a difference.
I'm sure that with the help of each one of us, this foundation can really make a difference in the lives of the small children in Pakistan who are not as well off as we are, and there are a lot of women who are not getting the basic needs of their livelihood. So please do help their foundation so that they can make a difference in other people's lives.
दिए से दिया जलाते चलें, इल्म की रोशनी फैलाते चलें।